are going inside a car wash.
Are we going to vacuum a car or a full car wash?
Let's see.
आज के हो त
We are gonna do a car wash like in GTA. So these are car washes. We are gonna do the car wash ourselves. There is also automatic one inside, but we're gonna do a car wash today because one of our friend is feeling sleepy and he wants to wake himself up by washing it.
There is Rajiv.
There is Rajiv and there is Pradip and there is Sushil. We're gonna do vacuum and car washing at the same time. So this is the car machine to car washing place. You can see before it's all dusty. This is the car wash place. Oh, Kaj has started the vacuum. You can see the car wash inside. Going on inside. These are all car washing places.
राजु बसबाट खाँदै केन्द्र भएको छैन
What did he do? A good job. Mr. Rai, you used to watch this?
He says not, please you can continue, I'll come back.
Oh, wow. Wow. Lots of, you can see lots of cars that which are getting washed. So this is free, and the washing that will be inside is not free. Vacuuming is free. So inside of the car interior is cleaned up. Car entrance, car wash entrance. Let's go inside. Ceramic gold, $49. Ultimate plan $32, ultimate plan $26, ultimate plan $20. Rapid wash $8. We're gonna do the rapid wash, I guess.
Monthly पनि हुन्छ क्या त्यहाँ.
What's up, guys?
Hello.
How you
Doing
doing?
good. How are you?
Doing good. Is this your first time here? Been here before?
Yeah. First time.
Did you know what you want to go with?
Sorry?
Do you know what you want to go with?
Yeah,
First
rapid
wash?
wash. I know. What about monthly plan?
You want to do the monthly plan?
Yeah.
Alright. So, our monthly plans start right here. They start at $19.99, $26.99, $32.99, and $39.99. Did you know which one you might be interested in?
Well, what's the difference between 19.99 and 39.99?
In the $26.99?
Yeah.
So it's going to be the tire shine and the rain repellent. You won't get the tire shine on the $19.99 one, but you will on the $24.99 one. $26.99? Yeah. So yeah, you'll get the tire shine on this one, but you won't on this one.
What is that rain repellent means?
Rain repellent, basically when it rains, the rain will beat up, kind of fall off on the car.
You've ever heard of Rain-X?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like Rain-X.
And it's unlimited, right? If you take the plan, it's unlimited, right?
It's unlimited, yes, sir.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
set for one car, though.
Okay. Only one card. Okay. So yeah, I wanna go with that 1999.
And what's a good phone number for you?
703.
7. And it's just going to be $19.99, and it'll charge you on this date every month
Okay.
until you cancel.
All right.
And we'll also get you like a sticker for your windshield, so when you come through next time, the gate will just open up for you. You won't have to like do any of this.
So I can go in any location, right?
Yeah, any location.
Any location of right? Okay.
And then
Right.
I can take this, I'm gonna scan it, and I'm gonna get you your sticker and everything, air freshener. And if you can just pull it around when you're done, I can get that for you.
So outside of that,
Yeah, over there by the vacuums.
Okay.
I can just bring it to you.
all right, see you. Thank you.
Alright, you're up.
Monthly गरेपछि
So Kazi bought a monthly plan for his car wash because car wash is really important for him. So we are entering the washing area.
न्युट्रलमा लगाउनुपर्छ नि. न्युट्रलमा
Neutral अगाडि बढ्छ त?
चक्का हुन्छ नि.
तान्छ क्या?
सुरु झ्याल्ला है.
पुरो झ्यालाउने.
होइन मैले लगाइसकेको छु.
So we are going inside a what is this? This is kind of a mop, big mop.
First,
Soap and mop. And here comes a spinner that spins. Washes our windshields. Yeah. And here comes the water already. Burst of water. Some soap is remaining. It's almost ready. No idea. Now the water flow is coming. I think this will clear this thing. Again. Next one. Now this is a dryer, air dryer. It's all crystal clear.
नेपालमा बोकेर 2 घन्टा लगाएर
मजाले
मिच्दै मिच्दै गएर
यता बोला
Wow, really good. It was an awesome experience. Now Kazi's car looks new.
Brand new.
Brand new.
I just need you to fill out the bottom right there,
Alright.
with just the car information.
So Kazi's going to fill that information. So Christmas vibe is going on. यसको महत्त्व बुझेकोहरूले गर्छ. Praveen is going out.
Praveen,
When are you coming back, Praveen?
when we will meet again? कहिले के भन्दैन त त्यसै हिँड्ने घुरघुरेर मान्छे.
When are we going to meet again?
Near in future.
Near. Thank you.
ल ब्रो
So
Tomorrow,
Praveen is
no,
staying
no.
with her sisters, with his sister's house, in her house
Couple of days.
for a couple of days.
नेपालहरु सिगान पुस्दै बस्दिरहेछन् बाहिर. एकजना अगाडि आउ नि त ल बख यता राखेर म आउँछु.
Oh, let's see the car. We are near the lake. It's really wow. This is really shiny. Car looks good. And let's see the lake, nearby lake from Kazi's house. The weather is good even though it's winter. The temperature is not really bothersome. It might be almost 18 degrees Celsius. What do you think the temperature is, Susan?
It's like in between 15 to 19.
15 to 19.
It's like 15 or 20. What is it?
मैले दिइरहेको छु.
Dr. Sanjan. I think it's 18 degrees Celsius.
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's between 15 to 20.
Yeah.
It has one power
What kind of power?
get the temperature by feeling.
Yeah. You can see the lake. There is a waterworks. The water is really dirty. Okay, I'll be there. I'll be there. The atmosphere is really pleasant. So this is a small county. Deeper grass. We should come here often and reduce our bellies.
We'll try.
We'll try.
We'll try it soon.
And the trees are barren. They don't have any leaves.
After 3 months you will see the greenery here.
I hope so. But not about after 3 months, almost 5 months, I guess.
Is it?
Yeah. Because it's December, right? After 1 month it will be, it will be, let's say, it's already January, let's say. Okay. And after 3 months it will be February, March, April. From May, I guess the greenery will start. We are walking and with the trail ended.
We can go from here and we can go over there. No, no, look
No,
here.
there is water.
one trail.
There is water. Yeah. Can we jump from here? Are you Spider-Man?
Can.
Huh, guys, are you Spider-Man? But we can cross from there if you want.
We can go over here and then after we can meet
Yeah.
at that walking road. Very straight.
Come, let's go. Come, come.
It's crocodile.
We are also crocodiles. Come, come. We are also crocodiles. No, no, it's. Let's go. Come, guys. Come on. Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's go towards the trail.
Crocodile khai ta? Where is crocodile?
Okay, we can go from here then.
There is no any way out to our car.
Yeah. Let's go then. You can see. What are these called? A county, or what do you call a bunch of buildings?
We are.
It's called, like in Nepal we call it tool, right?
Yeah.
What is it called in US?
It's community.
Community, ah, yeah. You can see a community of houses here.
Or colony.
Colony, maybe, yeah. The colony also is good. And there is moonlight. Almost like a year from today, this place was barren, right? There were no houses in this area. In how many months do you think your house was made?
In 1 year.
1 year?
Mhm.
Sounds good. Susil, what are these plastics? Why they are placed here?
These are for erosion control.
Erosion control? I guess then
Company
this
name is like erosion control, man.
erosion control. Oh,
Maybe.
Maybe.
Company name, look there. Erosion Control LLC. It's like
a company's name?
Yarsa Technology LLC.
Yeah, wow.
And
Yeah. Oh, you can see a train.
It's a small train, but
train.
good.
Yeah,
Look
it's
good,
a goods train, I guess. Mal Bahak train.
No, it's not a Malwak train.
I guess it is. It is not? Passenger train?
It's passenger train. Small passenger
If
train.
it's a Malwak truck, then no, Malwak train,
Mm-hmm.
then it will be like
It will
a
be big
one the
or large one.
Oh, yeah, exactly. And guys, in US there are no lots of public transportation. The most first priority is it is a
Man-made
must
river,
to
man-made
get a
river.
license and buy a car. It's a extremely historic bridge.
Extremely
Historic.
historic bridge.
And we don't know its name.
Kazi's River.
Kazis River. This is called the Kazis River with no water. You can see a plane flying by.
Okay, guys.
They are playing football. Hey guys, we can come bring some football and play here.
We can play indoor game.
Water, yeah?
Yeah, there is a water inside that. Water.
Right inside the water.
Yeah, exactly. And you can see Christmas theme going on in this house.
I think it is for New Year.
Oh, it's for New Year, yeah.
Yeah.
Christmas is almost over. What is this? It is really new.
Kaji's car.
Kazi's car. Kazi's breeze.
We have lots of
Kaji's reverse.
Let's
We have
go
lots of
towards
things
our
here
house.
to-
Christmas decorated house.
boy waving here.
He's waving. That boy is waving at us. You can see the houses, and these are typical houses, and you can see most of the houses on these patterns and on these colors. These houses are mostly built inside with wood and outside with a little bit of concrete and tiles and bricks. So it's almost even. It's evening time and it's almost night.
Oh, yeah. Basketball.
There's also a basketball.